Okay. What are we doing?
Eating food.
You're not as talkative as Miranda. Okay.
We're eating food at a Chinese restaurant.
Cool.
Getting soup.
What's today?
New Year's Day.
January 1st, 2009. We're gonna die in 3 years. 4. Almost 4. What you eating, Taylor?
You guys already ordered?
Yeah, we already ordered.
Would you like a box for you?
Do the eyebrows dancey thing. Do it. Just do it. Just do it. Do it now.
It's embarrassing.
Do it now.
Wait. We should have taken Edward with us.
We should have. Okay. Bye.